Dear customers, good day. This is Ivy, Senior Sales Manager from Foodchem. This is our Shanghai warehouse. Each summer, Foodchem will launch the most powerful promotion on our food ingredients to celebrate our 16th anniversary and new factory ceremony. Let's see what's new this year. More than 10 products are selected. The sharpest discounts. Sufficient quantity in stock, covering more customers. For your reference, below items are in the list: phosphoric acid, sucralose, STPP, SAPP, CMC, MSG, isolated soy protein, ascorbic acid, potassium sorbate, sodium benzoate, titanium dioxide, etc. For more details, please contact our sales representatives as soon as possible. We are confident that our experience will help you happy purchase. Our ingredients, your success.